All right. Morning, everyone. Welcome to another episode of the Daily High. I'm your host, Tone Vase. We are kicking off the month with a major pump. I literally have 5 minutes. Maybe I can stretch it to 10. I got to go diving. I got a shipwreck dive this morning. Yesterday's divings were awesome. Let me make sure we are streaming. We are. We are going straight to the charts. Monthly chart. We are back over that trend line that I had drawn. I really like how last month closed. It would have been great to get a new monthly closing high, but hey, we got the second best thing. We closed. What was the closing price? The closing price was 114. We were almost at the top of these candles. I mean, we are still pretty far away from the swing high, but that's not as important. The closing highs is what matters. And just the fact that this candle closed next to the bodies of the other two candles and closed near the all-time high. So this was the second highest monthly close, and the highest monthly close was only 115.8, and this close was 114. So that's what, a little over 1%, 1.5% at most, away from the all-time high close on a monthly. That is a very, very bullish indication. And so that's great. And the current month is already kicking off to the upside, which is awesome. Now we are on candle number 7 of the monthly MRI, which means we got about 2 to 3 months, maybe 4 months before the top is in if we go exponential. If we consolidate, the picture changes a little bit, and we can extend the bull market if we consolidate, and we can go a little bit higher. So we will see where that goes. The weekly chart, we got our green star candle. It is coming in on candle number 3. This is great, and the week has just started. So how am I looking at this green star candle? Unfortunately, having the candle show up, the green star candle showing up on a Monday, does not guarantee that the green star will be here on Friday. I just need it on Friday. I don't really need it on Sunday. So I'm still going to give it another day or two. But if I'm confident that this green star is here to stay on the weekly, everything turns bullish. Absolutely everything. We still have a very specific line in the sand. I'm not going to call this a resistance line because it's not. 119.5 is not a resistance line. It is my acceleration line. All we got to do is close above that line, and I think everything is going to completely melt to the upside. And here we are on the daily chart. The daily chart is key here because once again, for the second month in a row, we have an MRI buy opportunity that is really kicking off our move to the upside. This last MRI buy broke how many resistance points? This was one. The horizontal line was a resistance point. This blue one, that's one. Moving average is 2. The other moving average is 3. The MRI resistance is 4. This is actually not a resistance line. Ironically, the one place where it kind of got rejected is not a resistance line. For me, it's not. Maybe other traders it is. That is a similar acceleration line. We even got a green star candle, and we just ran out of steam a little bit. So we broke 1, 2, 3, 4 resistance points. And we just went up a little too far, a little too fast, and we had to pull back a bit. Actually pulled back more than expected. This is a weird candle out of place. And now we have broken, once again, 1, 2, 3, 4 resistance points. And once again, we are at the acceleration line. Now, keep in mind, this turquoise line is now weaker of a rejection. Look, everything is so similar. Look, we broke equally as many resistance points. We broke equally as many resistance points. Sorry, I had to sneeze. However, we this time, instead of having a horizontal resistance point over here at 112, it was the 128-day resistance point. So similar place, a different resistance point. And we are in the same place. But man, this is so much weaker now to stop us. First of all, we are now coming up to this triple high instead of a double high. That makes it a lot easier to break. we got here a lot quicker than we did before. So we probably are not running out of steam. It's a lot easier to run out of steam when you go up fast and it takes a while. We are going up fast, but it's not taking a while. So we probably still have more time to go. We are likely to pull back here one more time. I would not be surprised at all if there is a little bit of a pullback and then break that line on the next go, but I am expecting that next go. So everything looks really, really good. Now, here's the short-term chart. Wow, this is beautiful. This was a pullback with the hourly MRI. I haven't seen this chart before, by the way. Pullback on the hourly MRI top, finds a bottom on the MRI buy. A little bit of a dicey candle here. I'm not going to pretend like that I wouldn't have considered dumping this short-term trade. Had I used this hourly candle to get in, I probably would have gotten the hell out. Also, this looks like a 10 a.m. reversal yesterday. Oh, what a beautiful, perfect 10 a.m. reversal yesterday. And here it is, the green star candle breaking the MRI resistance at a double top. And then this green star candle gets me absolutely bullish. Even crazy that we had another one a few candles later. So we still have room here on the hourly chart, even though the 10 a.m. reversal is coming in 2 hours. And guess what? In 3 hours, we're going to have an MRI top on the hourly chart. So our upside here on the hourly might be limited, and we'll see. I am in Mexico right now. This week, I will fill out my October, even though I'm still not sure where I'm going, but I will be in Latin America for the rest of the month. I do have to run to go diving. I'm probably, whoa, gold. I'm not going to talk about any other markets. I am going to promote Matt's fight. I just Googled for this, Crypto Fight Night on YouTube. It is live. We can play it. And someone is fighting. Let's hit the live button. It's not Matt fighting. Someone's fighting. I think Matt's fight's in 2 hours. I'm literally going to be under the water when Matt is scheduled to fight. But I don't know. Sometimes they're off schedule a bit. I will try to watch it as I am out there. But it is unlikely. So you will not see me in the live chat. It is very, very unlikely. But I'm assuming this is the fights from Singapore. Does it say where? No, but that's Crypto Fight Night. It's happening live, since I'm assuming this is the Singapore card that he is on. So I'm just going to pause it. When I get back to the hotel, I'll watch it. I'll go back and find it. All right, so good luck to him. Hopefully you guys will check it out. I don't know if there'll be a show tomorrow. We'll try to bring you another show the rest of the week. We'll figure it out day by day. All right, guys. Thank you all for watching, and see you all on the next one. Bye, guys.